Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's a nice start outside with plenty of sunshine as yesterday's low pressure system and the low clouds that stayed with it are now moving offshore. As we can see, the western extent of that storm is right now just exiting northern and northeastern Maine right now with a few snow showers, but much of New England right now is in the clear with mostly clear skies. Some higher thin clouds moving in through the New York State right now this morning. And that's all associated with a huge snowstorm. There is a blizzard going on out in the Midwest right now. They're measuring snow in the order of feet right now. 1 to 2 feet of snow likely in a good swath out in the Midwest. The strong low pressure system is going to be moving through the Great Lakes, and a secondary storm will be forming just off the coast. And between these two, we're going to have some warmer air moving up the East Coast during the day on tomorrow. So temperatures by tomorrow will be near 50 degrees with periods of heavy rainfall between the hours of 10 a.m. and about 4 a.m., though the precip should arrive in most areas by about 6 a.m. starting off on the light side. Taking a closer look at your weather map for today, shows high pressure and control. We have a nice dry slot in our region for today. That's the reason for the mostly sunny skies. Though clouds ahead of the next storm system that is advancing through the Great Lakes will start to spread in by about 4 or 5 o'clock this evening, so that by tonight we'll see mostly cloudy skies and showers developing overnight by about 6 a.m. on Friday morning. So your weather headlines for today, we're going to see sun with increasing clouds this evening, and then heavy rain developing during the day tomorrow, starting about 6 a.m. and going all the way through about 4 or 5 a.m. So both commutes look to be a little bit wet, and then colder with possible flurries behind the storm system on Saturday as much colder air comes in with a strong northwesterly wind during the weekend. So Futurecast shows clouds increasing overnight tonight. Then as we head into tomorrow morning, I'd say by about 6 a.m. you're going to see the first drops falling from the skies in most areas in southern New England. During the day we're going to see sporadic showers, and by the afternoon that's when the strongest and heaviest rainfall will be falling through about 4 p.m. and then we're going to dry out tomorrow night. And then you're going to notice that as we head into Saturday, we still have a counterclockwise circulation out over the west, and that's all going to have to swing through our region on Saturday, and that's what's going to give us a few chances of some snow showers possible during the day on Saturday. So sorry about that, we put an extra map in there, but I just want to show you quickly high temperatures for tomorrow. You can see warmer air surging up from the south ahead of the system, 50s in southern New England, 40s all the way up into northern New England. So most of New England will be seeing a rain event, though some areas in northwestern Massachusetts and southwestern New Hampshire overnight tonight into early tomorrow, just as the first onset of precipitation moves in, they could start as a little bit of ice or snow. Not much of accumulations is expected because warm air will surge in and quickly change it over to rain. But notice much colder air, teens, 20s, and 30s moving through the Great Lakes, and that will be our weather come this weekend and into early next week. Taking another look at this weekend's weather, we have high pressure bringing in some Arctic air from Canada on northwesterly winds over the weekend. Here's the departing low pressure system that will be moving through tomorrow, and that's going to continue to bring some counterclockwise circulation and some snow showers on Saturday. But by Sunday it moves out and we should dry out, and then on Christmas Eve we will be blustery and cold continuing in the northeast. If you're heading anywhere down to the southeast, watch out for a weak disturbance that will be throwing out some showers and some thunderstorms, and it's pretty much cold and snowy if you head out west. So check your airlines if you are traveling anytime this weekend because of the blizzard that is going on in the Midwest. That could cause some delays for some traveling people for Christmas. And also on Christmas Day, we do have a weak shortwave that will be moving through our region right now. It looks like we may have a slight chance of a light period of snow and or flurries on Christmas Eve to Christmas morning because of a little shortwave moving through. That is not a definite, but we are watching that. But a much bigger storm is developing off in the central part of the United States next week, and that's poised to move in on Thursday and Friday. And again, looks like it's moving to our west, so it looks like we'll warm up and have some heavy rainfall possibly by the end of next week. Your daily planner for today, we're going to see plenty of sunshine with a few clouds by midday, temperatures in the lower 40s, and then by this evening we'll start to see clouds increasing and the winds increasing as well out of the east at 15 to 25 miles an hour tonight. Mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the lower 30s inland, middle to upper 30s along the coast. For Friday, we're going to see periods of heavy rainfall starting around 6 a.m. and then becoming heavier during the day. and it should be tapering off during the afternoon. By about 4 or 5 o'clock, a good 1 inch of rain is likely in most areas in southern New England, and there is already a high wind watch for the east coast faceline of southern New England for wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, possibly 50 along the southeast coast, Cape Cod and the islands. The rest of the region looking at east-southeasterly winds at 15 to 30 miles per hour. And tomorrow being the first day of winter. The winter starts, I'm not sure exactly what time, but it's not the right way of starting winter with heavy rainfall, but we will have temperatures at 50 degrees, but it begins to be feeling like winter as we head into the end of the weekend with temperatures dropping back down into the 30s. There's your chance of a snow flurry on Saturday. Breezy conditions throughout the weekend and gradually clearing skies so that by Monday we start off the week with clouds and some sunshine and temperatures only into the lower 30s. And it looks like we're going to hold on to that cold weather all the way through Christmas Day until that next storm system arrives by Wednesday night into Thursday. That's the latest from the BarokaWeather.com weather update. I'm Dave Bruce. Have a great day.